Well, it's that time of year again for the All Toyota Fest, and I registered the FJ, but we need to get the FJ ready for the All Toyota Fest. A couple weeks ago, I went to the Flagstaff, Arizona Expo event, and my awning snapped. So this thing pretty much just snapped, and it didn't do good. So I reached out to my buddy over at Smittybilt, and he sent over an awning because the ones that had this awning out there did not snap, and the winds were going like 30 miles per hour, 40 miles per hour, and that Smittybilt one was not moving at all. But this one snapped right away. Before we head over to All Toyota Fest, I gotta pretty much change the awning, put the Pelican cases back on, and then also this car needs a big detail on it. So I don't know if you guys can tell, but it's pretty dirty. I'm not expecting to win anything, but I think the FJ looks pretty sick. So I want more people to see it, especially since it's gonna be an All Toyota Fest. So let's start with taking off the tent. All right, I just got all the screws off the side of the rails. I'm gonna have my girlfriend help me with this because I can't do this by myself. So we're just gonna take this tent off right now really quick. All right, so we just took the tent down. Actually, I gotta clean this too because this is actually carbon fiber from Inspired Overland. So I wanna make sure it's nice and polished. It looks really good at the show. All right, so pretty much this Smittybilt awning did not have the correct hardware. So what I'm actually using is the hardware from the actual print rack. I'm just gonna grab 2 from each side from random poles. Or I mean random rails, so it shouldn't be a problem. But other than that, fits pretty good. I'm just gonna put a spacer in there, and then yeah, it's gonna sit pretty good. I have like freaking 4 spacers here and then like 2 spacers down there. It looks janky, but it ain't going nowhere. I'm like moving the heck out of it, and it is not going nowhere. All right, it's time to do the second one. All right. Don't make fun of my spacers, but it works. It's just an awning, so it's not like I'm putting a tent on this, so we're good to go. One really cool thing about doing stuff to your overland rig, a lot of it you can literally do in your garage, and it's pretty simple. So shout out to all the companies doing parts for the overland community because it's so simple and so easy. You don't even need instruction papers. It's common sense pretty much. All right, and that's how it sits. It's covering the S2s, but it's fine. I'll figure out another way to light up the area under the awning. There's that Smittybilt logo. Lines up perfect. All right, now it's time to clean that bad boy and then put that up top. What I'm using is McGuire's quick detailer. I kind of like it. It's pretty good. Just something quick. If you guys didn't see my last video I posted, one really cool thing I like about the Inspired Overland carbon light tent is it comes with these like mounting brackets or like these rails where you can actually set stuff on top. Right now I have it set for my Pelican cargo cases, and this thing is clutch, guys. Highly recommend this tent. All right, we got the tent on. Sits nice and flush. I like how slim everything's looking. It looks like it was meant for the car. We gotta install these Pelican cases next. All right, first one is down. It's kind of hard doing this by yourself, so make sure you have someone helping you, especially since it's like this is my eye level. Next one is the big cargo case. That's pretty much how it looks with the cargo case up top. We got everything ready. We got the ice cold cooler in. We got the ice cold chairs. We got the Inspired Overland ladder. And then we got the Toyo Tires trash bag. So it's pretty much how it looks right now. I have something big coming for the FJ, probably in the next couple weeks. So stay tuned for that. I don't know though if I should add a front bumper now. So let me know if I should add a front bumper. We're about to go to the car wash to wash this car, but I just put something in the garage that no one's seen yet. More than likely you guys will be the first ones to see it, so stay tuned for that. Maybe it'll come out in the next 2-3 weeks. I kind of forgot to show you guys me washing the car, but I don't think you guys really want to see that. But it's pretty much done. Tomorrow I'm just gonna go ahead and detail the tires because the tires are hella dirty. All right guys, let's go ahead and go to the All Toyota Fest in Long Beach. Well, we're here. We finally made it to the All Toyota Fest, and I got my FJ all set up. One really cool thing I like about the All Toyota Fest is whatever car you register, they tend to put you with the same cars. So like for instance, I have an FJ, so they put me with all the FJs. You know, these guys are the minivans. I don't know what model this is, but they put them all together, so forth and so forth, which is pretty cool because I guess it's an easier way for the judges to judge the cars. I don't really expect to win. I really don't mind winning. I'm not here for the trophies, but I just really wanted people to see the setup because a lot of people give me compliments on it. So hey, you know what? Let me go show it out. But this one, guys, this setup is next level. You can literally go camping for at least a week straight with no problem at all. I mean, he has solar panels on top of his tent. I mean, he has a shower awning, full skid plates on the bottom, full bumpers front and rear. His trunk setup, I mean, let me go show you his trunk setup. This is his trunk setup. As you can see, he has a full like setup for like adding stuff in there. Looks really clean. So pretty cool compared to mine and this one. I mean, I think we're kind of similar in setup styles, but definitely this one is probably like a dream goal to do. So I'm here in the 4Runner aisle, and this 4Runner right here, this wrap popped out like crazy. Honestly, this is probably the color I want to do for the new build. No? I like this like.
I like the purple, but not the blue.
So it's like a kind of like the GTR midnight purple color, but I really want a purple on my next car for some reason. These are my dream wheels right here. Those Advans, those blue ones. I don't know if you guys can see those blue ones, but those blue ones are sick. This thing is tough. Look at that fitment on that. Love that rally style. Man, that rally style is sick. It's a sick SSRs, dude. Carbon fiber fender. I don't know if you guys are big MK4 guys, but there is a fleet of them here at the All Toyota Fest. There's literally a gang of them here, guys. Really like this event, guys. So if you guys have never attended the All Toyota Fest, highly recommend it. Especially if you're a big Toyota fan or a Lexus fan. They cater a lot to these cars here, so it's pretty cool to see all this. But let's do a cinematic video of this car. Super clean engine bay. I mean, check this out, guys. Insane setup. This thing's pretty sick. Dude has a little bike up there with his tent. Pretty much if you guys ever come to this event, you're gonna see some pretty wild builds. I mean, wherever you look, I mean, look at that. Every aisle you're gonna walk at, you're gonna see something pretty crazy, which is pretty cool to see. There's a minivan over here I want to show you guys that I saw earlier. Check out this minivan. This thing is bagged on weld wheels and supercharged. Another cool thing about this show is that Toyota themselves comes out here, so it's pretty cool to see this. One really cool thing is they bring out a ton of the like SEMA concept cars. I saw this last year at SEMA. It's actually the new 4Runner. This thing is sick. Check this out. Wild. This is gonna come stock like this. This is crazy. Like, you don't even have to build it no more. Like, they're already ready to go. Did you guys choose the 4Runner or the LC 250? I don't know, man. Kind of leaning towards this one. If you guys are into the classics, they also got these old school Land Cruisers here. Well, that was it, guys. All Toyota Fest is officially over. Let me know what you guys think. If you guys like the way I do my channel. Shout out to all my brand partners. If it wasn't for all of you guys, my FJ would not look the way it does. So I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace out.